What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're on a mission to get the Off-White 4s. They dropped today. The Off-White store did the raffles already. I did not win, but I'm still going to the store because check this out. So I'm still going to the store because when they did the Off-White 5s and those dropped, the store did first come first serve for the unclaimed pair. So I slept on it, I didn't go, and I know people who came up and got a pair. So right now I'm gonna just see if I can grab a pair. You know, it might not work, it might work, but I'm here right now at the Wynn, so I'm about to go inside to see what's cracking. So I'm out here at the Off-White store, and they still doing it's for the raffle winners. Right now it's 8:50, so it closes at 9. 9 o'clock is when the latest you can pick up the shoes, but my homie just hit a pair, so I'm about to go and check out his pair, see how they look in hand. So let's take a look. Whose size is that? Sia? That's your size? Oh my fire.
Look at that suede. Look at the suede. Oh, that's not even. It's like kind of like soft leather suede.
Dang, that's fire.
So fun.
This is on YouTube, so.
You want me to give a spin?
Yeah. Translucent like ear on the back.
Like air on the tongue.
That's fire.
It's so fire. Yo, those lace colors are fire too. That blue.
That teal blue, yeah.
Which one? This one right there? Yeah, that's different.
Or sky blue.
That's sick.
I wish they would have threw some blue on the top, but still.
Let me see them.
This is what moss color. What do you call it? Sea moss.
And
It's
like air tag right
sea
here.
moss, or like a
Sea
Oh
foam.
man.
Sea foam green.
Sheesh.
Those are so clean, bro.
These are fire. These are fire.
The shoe that nobody
Wait.
ain't touching like that.
I mean, the box is even fucking fire, bro.
Yeah, so the homie hit on this pair. I'm still trying to see if I can get something. This is the bag. The bag is different too. They got holes in it now. No, cause the dunks it was like a Tiffany kind of color, like a greenish Tiffany color. But yeah, there he is. Off-White 4s.
3 days later.
It's been like 2 days since the Off-White release, and man, basically your boy took an L. I take L's just like y'all, so for some reason I thought I was gonna get lucky with leftover pairs, but it didn't happen. You know, I went to the store and I was talking to the workers, and basically everybody was just giving me different answers. Somebody said that they were gonna be re-raffled off to the people who already entered the original raffle, and then somebody else said that they were going to be sent back to the Off-White warehouse. So I don't know, but I took an L on those. Bro, what are you doing? But yeah, so I took an L on those, and I almost paid resale on release day for those 4s, but if anything, I do feel like those might dip, kind of like how the Off-White 5 dipped. So if they do end up doing that and I still want them around that time, maybe I'll pull the trigger. But the Off-White Bred 4s are supposed to be dropping in a couple months or so. So if those do drop, hopefully I'll be able to, you know, get a pair of those. But anyways, I did just pick up a package from my mom's house. So I'm about to go ahead and open this up when I get back to the crib. I got like one more place to stop, but when I do that, we about to take a look and see what I got. So I'll catch up to y'all in a minute.
1 eternity later.
All right, so it's actually been like 2 weeks since I was last in front of the camera, and I know I said I was gonna do some errands, but something came up, and in between time, I did get a few packages, and I'm back at work now. For some reason, I don't know how long that's gonna last. I'm trying to test it out to see how business is because of, you know, the virus and what's going on. So that's the reason why I kind of had to delay the video. But first pickup we got here is some shoes that I grabbed from the outlets. This is one of the restocks that happened about a week ago. As you see, we got one of the newer styles of how the Jordan boxes come in. The label we got is Air Jordan 1. I said Air Jordan 1. Air Jordan 3 Retro U. Got a 9.5. I got my size, but I don't know if I'm going to be keeping these. And the main reason why is because these come with the Nike Shy on the back. I'd rather have the Nike Air pair. So these are supposed to be limited. These are a drop during the All-Star weekend, and we're only supposed to be released in Chicago. But I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of people get these in their cities that have a Nike outlet or like a Nike clearance store. So I guess Nike is just trying to get rid of all the extra inventory that they had. But I was able to grab these for $150. So I got these under retail, about 50 bucks under retail. So even if I do let these go for retail, I'm still, you know, making some type of money off of them. But more than likely, I will be letting these go. But yeah, if it didn't have that Nike Shy on the back, I might keep them. But yeah, I'm not. I just don't really like it. So more than likely, I'm going to be letting these go. If you do wear a 9.5, hit me up on Instagram if you want to buy them. More than likely, they probably will be sold before this video is posted. But let's go ahead and open this up. Now, this came from overseas, and I'm interested to see if this is the right size, because these were in the women's size in the UK. But I don't know how that converts because of the size difference in the US. So I messaged somebody, I think it was somebody from the website, and they were saying that it converts right, but I don't know, we're gonna see. So I did grab these from Foot Patrol. I grabbed these from Foot Patrol, but let's go ahead and see. We got, oh, it's covering up the label. Anyways, we got an Air Max 90 SP, and let me go ahead and open this up. I'm not quite sure what's going on with this, but we have the orange Air Max 90 camos. Now, I do have the reverse camos, which is my favorite pair out of the two, but I think this is the second best out of the three. Now, there was another green one. Not sure if I'll get those, but this is definitely, to me, a shoe that's perfect for the fall, for Halloween as well. So, but I don't know if this is, okay, so it says US 9.5. So I guess I did get my right size. But they had them on the website under women's UK size. I don't know. I guess I got the right size. So that worked out. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the next shoe. All right, so this shoe, I said that I would never buy again, but I bought it again. So I grabbed these on release day, and these have been sitting here ever since. I never opened them up because I wanted to see how they looked in person. This is actually my first time seeing them in hand. So here we go. A Yeezy 350. I haven't had a 350 or a Yeezy in general. I haven't had one in my collection since like the end of 2018, beginning of 2019, probably. Yeah, actually 18. Yeah, 2018, probably at the beginning of 2018. Got a size 10 Yeezy Boost 350 V2. They're still on the V2s, but colorway Zion. And here we have the Zion 350 Boost. Now, I don't know. In the pictures, they look a little bit better. I mean, it's still a decent shoe, but dang, I don't know if I want to keep these or not. I don't know. We'll see. But I grabbed these, got these for retail off of Foot Locker. Yeah, I think so many, there's so many colors of the 350s coming out. It's like the motto is so redundant, and I know there's Jordans that come out all the time, but at least they like try to switch up stuff. On here, it's just like one shade different, and then they release the next shoe. One shade brighter, one shade darker. But I don't know. We'll see if I keep these or not. But those were my 3 pickups. And yes, I did take an L on those Off-White 4s, and I'm still tempted to buy them for resale. But so far, I have fought the urge of making an impulse buy. Hopefully, I do get a chance at those Bred 4s. So I need those to drop. Just, you know, I'm probably gonna take an L, but let's see. We gotta try. But anyways, that about does it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the shoes. If this is your first time here, click on that subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed the video, let me get a thumbs up. And with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Peace.